I have a concern with the Brennan Center report, which showed that more money was spent in Supreme Court races in Ohio than in almost any other state in the country. Particularly where we also know that the public believes, and 46% of state judges around the country believe, that campaign contributions influence decisions. That's troubling. The perception, whether it's justified or not, erodes trust and confidence in the judiciary, and it must be addressed. Ohio has attempted to address the issue in part by imposing limits on campaign contributions, but many big businesses and special interests have found a way around those limits. The Brennan Center report shows that overwhelmingly the money that has been spent in Ohio on Supreme Court races have come from corporate interests, and nearly all of that money has gone to only one party. That party has dominated the court for the past decade. To the average citizen, this imbalance, precipitated by a flood of campaign cash, is a cause for concern that must be acknowledged and addressed. With respect to changing the way in which judges are selected and chosen in our state, we've got a long history in the state of electing judges. It's a history that has great tradition and would require change only by the people, because it would require a constitutional amendment. I think that it's a great topic, an important topic. It's a topic that should be publicly debated. It should be publicly considered, just as we should publicly consider whether to move to a system of public financing for campaigns. Those discussions should start next year, not in the midst of a campaign, but they are important discussions, and I support our continuing to work on those issues.